Hey, it's another great day in Santa Barbara County. I'm in a town called Summerland, right by the beach, right over there. Today we're gonna have lunch at this great little outdoor kind of trailer food roach coach guy. He's kind of a little restaurant too. Anyway, it's called White Caps, lobster rolls, crab cakes, tots, and more. There's a menu right up here. All sorts of real good food here. Maine lobster, naked lobster, spicy tiger shrimp, crab cakes, New England clam chowder, all sorts of good food. Hey, this is a great eating spot. Outdoors, really beachy. Lots of cool succulents and plants and flowers. There's some backgammon out here. Eat way up there in the upstairs patio in the shade. Just beautiful. Here's our little takeout bag from White Caps. Crab cakes and lobster roll. Coming up. Ooh my. This is
looks like a
lobster roll to me. Up here. Oh my goodness.
Sliders. Yummy.
Oh, beautiful. Crab cakes, a little sauce here. Right there. Grab our crab cake. Let's see what it looks like inside. There he is. Beautiful crab cake. Dip him in the sauce a little bit. That's really, really good. Maryland crab cake. Here's our lobster roll.
Take the butter. I'm just gonna dump it in there because I love me some butter. I can already taste it's really good. Perfect. Thank you.
Perfect.
Perfect.
It's pretty good, and it's about $50. Thanks for watching. Bye.